Hello, I'm Papia. In this problem, we have to use the given information to evaluate these three limits. And the information that's given to us says that limit as x approaches c of a function f of x is infinity and of a function g of x is -2. So the two limits are given to us when x is approaching to same value c. Using that, we have to figure out what is the limit of the sum of the two functions fx and gx as x approaches c, then the limit of the product of the two functions, and then the quotient. Well, we have to use the properties of infinite limits since one of the limits that's given to us is an infinity, right? So think about it. Let's start with the first one. We know that the function f is approaching to infinity as x approaches to c. So the quantity, the outputs, the values are getting bigger, right? It's getting positively big. And g of x, on the other hand, is approaching a constant, -2. And you're adding the two. So one of them approaching to infinity, the other one going to a constant. When you add them together, what happens? It's like infinity plus of -2. Well, it's going to be infinity. So using the properties of infinite limits, we can say that the limit of this sum is going to be positive infinity. Next one, we have to figure out what is going to happen if we multiply the two functions and take the limit. Okay, think about it one more time. F is approaching to positive infinity, g is approaching to a constant, and you are multiplying the two functions together. So a big number times a constant. Of course, a big number, right? But you have to be careful when it comes to product. Very, very careful, because the sign matters. Think one more time. F is getting big, positive. G is approaching to a constant, but a negative number. And you're multiplying them together. So negative times a positive big number is a negative big number. So this one is negative infinity. So you have to be absolutely careful when it comes to limit of a product. Last one, we have to figure out the limit of gx divided by fx. Okay, the numerator is approaching to a constant, -2. Denominator is approaching to infinity. So let's think about it. The denominator is getting big. A constant divided by huge means the entire thing is getting really, really small, which means this limit will be 0. So we have evaluated all three limits. Thank you.